Thank you for your interest in the Bachelor of Interdisciplinary Studies program. Creating your plan of study for your Interdisciplinary Studies major through the DegreeWorks portal is easy. To begin, log into your MySale account. On the left-hand side under Registration and Degree Planning, select Progress to Degree. Next, you will want to select Launch DegreeWorks. Once your DegreeWorks page opens, click on the Plans tab. If you already have a plan entered by your previous major, click on New Plan at the right and choose Blank Plan. Select a term by scrolling all the way down to BIS Plan, then click Submit. The description you will enter here is BIS Plan of Study. Then click Save. Then click on the plus sign below BIS Plan. Click on Courses at the far left. Using the checkboxes, choose the courses for your plan of study. To search for a course by rubric, begin typing in the three-letter designation. For example, if you are adding COM 2000 Public Speaking, begin typing COM. You will see the options populate alphabetically. Then scroll until you find the rubric you are looking for. Once selected, all the course options for that designation will show. You will then select the course or use the arrow to scroll pages. I am selecting COM 2000 and I see the course titled Public Speaking Matches. Click the box and the course will populate at the bottom. To add in an additional course, for example, HRD 3510 Principles of Leadership, follow the same instructions. Type HRD in the subject area and then scroll down to find that designation. Here you will use the arrow to move to the next page to find the course. Select HRD 3510 and the title Principles of Leadership Matches. Repeat this process by checking the boxes for each course until you have added all the courses you want to take on your plan of study. As you are adding all of your courses, you can see a running list at the bottom of the screen. Once you have selected all your plan of study courses, review all of your selections to ensure that each is correct. Then click on Add to Plan. Once your plan of study is completed in DegreeWorks, contact your advisor to tell them your plan is entered. Your advisor will explain your next steps. If you have any questions at all, please contact the BIS office. Thank you.